Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about what is photosynthesis and what is cellular respiration. Well, let's first start off with what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis can be quite difficult to comprehend too, but it's basically a process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of sugars. Uh, The requirements for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, um, water, and light energy. Okay, so these are some of the things right here that come together to make photosynthesis. Basically, it's just carbon dioxide, water, and then we have light energy, and then our products are glucose, which are and glucose, which is the food chemical energy, and then we got oxygen, which is made up of these. Okay, so this is the the equation for photosynthesis. Okay, so in what part of the cell does photosynthesis occur? Do the cells of all living things contain this part? Well, photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are organelles found in plant cells and algae that conduct photosynthesis. No, uh, well, I meant, do the cells of all living things contain this part? No, they don't. Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells and some protists, such as algae. Here are some of the parts of a chloroplast right here. Okay, so is energy stored or released in the process of photosynthesis? What form of energy at the start and what form of energy at the end? In the process of photosynthesis, chemical energy is stored as sugar within chloroplast. The form of energy at the start is light energy, and the form of energy at the end is glucose or food chemical energy. Does photosynthesis occur in plants, animals, or both? Um, well, photosynthesis occurs in both plants and animals. It can occur in not only plants but also in certain animals as well. Over here we have some of the animals that can um, do photosynthesis. How and why life on Earth would be different if photosynthesis did not occur? If photosynthesis did not exist, plants and animals likely could not exist. In order for photosynthesis not to perform, Earth would have to plunge into darkness. To do this, the sun would have to disappear and plunge Earth's surface temperatures into a never-ending winter of bitter cold temperatures. Um, Within a year, it would bottom out at minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 72 degrees Celsius, resulting in a purely frozen planet. Okay, so now let's switch the topic to cellular respiration. Okay, so what is cellular respiration? Well, um, um, it's quite a difficult topic to explain and comprehend to, but basically it's a process through which cells convert fuel into energy. Um, The requirements for the process of cellular respiration are glucose, food energy, and oxygen. So, as you can see, cellular respiration is basically made up of like a lot of what photosynthesis is made up of, and basically the only difference between them is that photosynthesis includes light energy, but for cellular respiration we don't really use light energy, but we use ATP energy. Two. Okay, so this is the equation for cellular respiration. Um, it basically includes glucose and oxygen. Okay, so this is a drawing that I made about what a mitochondrion is. Well, a mitochondrion or a mitochondria is basically just a organelle uh, that occurs in cellular respiration. Um, do do all the cells of all living things contain mitochondrion or mitochondria? Um, no, they do not. But all eukaryotic cells contain mitochondria. This is basically the parts that the mitochondrion is basically made up of. Is energy stored or released in the process of cellular respiration? What is the form of energy at the start and what is the form of energy at the end? Well, in the process of cellular respiration, chemical energy of food molecules is released. The form of energy at the start is chemical energy of food molecules, and the form of energy at the end is ATP energy. Does cellular respiration occur in plants, animals, or both? Um, Cellular respiration, um, it occurs in both plants and animals. It is a process by which cells convert ADP and they turn it into ATP. Oh, I meant cells convert ADP and they turn it into ATP. This image that I have right here, it shows that cellular respiration does occur in both plants and animals. And okay, so how and why life on Earth would be different if cellular respiration did not occur? Well, if cellular respiration did not occur, did not exist, um, cells of living organisms could not break down food or turn it into energy they need to perform their essential functions. Um, Cellular respiration attracts energy in the form of ATP from the glucose in the food you eat. Um, Cellular respiration occurs in the cells of our body in a part of each cell called the mitochondria or mitochondria. Also cellular respiration and cannot occur without photosynthesis, and photosynthesis cannot occur without cellular respiration. Okay, and one last thing. How are both photosynthesis and cellular respiration similar and different from each other? Well, the two processes are similar in that they both produce energy, although in two different forms. Um, they are different in that photosynthesis assembles the glucose molecule while cellular respiration takes it apart. Okay, so these pictures I have right here, they show how both photosynthesis and cellular respiration are similar and also different from each other. And it also shows how they work together. I hope you guys enjoy my presentation, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.